What other liquidation documents, Mr. Witness, were submitted to you for the office of the Vice President? We now go to the third quarter. No.
Third quarter.
No. The findings on liquidation. Mr. Witness, what were your findings? Because this covered the first and second quarter. Ano naman ang findings mo tungkol sa third quarter
Sa third
ng Office of the Vice President?
Sa third quarter po ng third quarter cash advance and liquidation po ng Office of the Vice President, ang naging findings po doon ay una, hindi nag-submit si Office of the Vice President ng kanilang documentary evidence of payments para sa kanilang third quarter liquidation, which is violation po nung item 4.12 of the Joint Circular. Yung kanilang accomplishment report ay merong payment of reward. Pero hindi po siya substantiated ng any document evidencing the success of the information gathering or surveillance activities on account of the information given by the informer, which is in violation of the item 4.8.5b of the Joint Circular. At pangatlo po, Your Honor, may I be allowed po to refer to the AOM for the complete
With the permission of the presiding
enumeration po of the findings.
May the witness refer to his notes
Counsel,
to
Your Honor.
refresh his memory.
Maybe just clarify on this matter, just a brief, because
Yes, what is the comment of counsel
yesterday
correspondent?
I remember that the witness was only in ICFAO until February 2024. Is that correct? Maybe check the record if that is correct.
Yes,
Your Honor.
2014 to 2024. That's what he said.
Okay, so this AOM for the third quarter was issued August 8, 2024, Your Honor. So he is referring to something that he has no personal knowledge of.
What month did you leave? What month did you leave COA ICFAO, Mr. Romil?
February of 2024 po.
Your Honor, please, this is preliminary. We would have, if we were allowed to continue with this questioning, Your Honor, that this witness will attest to the fact that he was the one, before he left, he prepared a draft of an AOM for the third quarter. And if I may be allowed, maybe counsel will see the relationship of my question to
Then
This AOM.
witness, kindly not refer to an AOM. If indeed you prepared a draft, as you will testify on later, you can refer to your notes, but not the AOM.
My apologies po, Your
Do
Honor.
you have notes pertaining to the draft you prepared, pertaining to the supposed AOM issued after you left COA ICFAO?
I don't have my notes po with me. Pero I can give po yung the additional audit observation po based on my draft po na sinabit sa ICFAO.
May we see the draft, Your Honor, before
Do
he
you
gives
have
his
a copy of the
observations?
draft, Counsel, Mr. Romil?
I do not have the copy of draft po with me. Nasa
we
file po
object,
siya ng
Your
ICFAO.
Counsel, Attorney Kapunan, do you have a copy of the draft? Will you be marking it?
No, Your Honor. We are not marking a draft. We are just eliciting from this witness testimonial evidence that before he left, he did prepare a draft which he turned over to his successor in the position, Your Honor. And this will be testified to by our next witness, Your Honor.
But witness is not allowed by the court to refer to the AOM issued after he already left the office. If he did not bring his notes, then he cannot refer to any other document while he is testifying.
We submit, Mr.
Subject to those conditions, counsel may proceed.
Your Honor, please, we have finished with the Office of the Vice President for the last quarter of 2022, the first, second, and third quarter, and all the liquidation reports submitted by the respondent Vice President to the COA ICFAO office, Your Honor. We will now go to the Department of Education. And For this, Your Honor, can I ask for a 1 minute recess so I can confer? Just 1 minute, Your Honor.
1 minute recess is granted. For the panel of prosecutors, Attorney Kapunan may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. We now go to the Department of Education. And Mr. Witness, I will refer you to 3 quarters, quarter 1, quarter 2, and quarter 3 for 2024. Mr. Witness, again, to refresh your memory, what periods do these quarters cover? We are now talking about the Department of Education.
Based on their submissions po to the ICFAO, yung first quarter po, ang coverage po noon ay February 20 to March 30, 2023. Yung second quarter po ay April 20 to June 29, 2023 at yung third quarter po ay July 12 to September 29, 2023.
Okay. And the Department of Education, Mr. Witness, please confirm whether or not they submitted documents by way of liquidation for their confidential funds.
Yes, ma'am, they submitted po.
And can you refresh your memory? How much did the Department of Education receive by way of confidential funds for each quarter?
Ang kanilang confidential fund po for each quarter ay 37.5 billion pesos.
37.5 million, a fixed amount?
Yes, ma'am, per quarter.
And were these amounts withdrawn in full?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Based on the documents po na binigay nila sa amin.
Let us now go to these documents that you said were submitted to your office. Who submitted this?
The Department of Education po.
Okay. Now, if you are shown one of these documents, which is a fiscal financial plan for the first to the third quarter of 2023, previously marked as Exhibits P-1-18-A-3, P-1-18-A-B, and P-1-14B. For easy reference, Your Honor, this document stipulated and common exhibit also with the defense, Your Honor, is being shown to the witness and flashed on the screen.
Correct, Your Honor. And the
On the
defense,
part of the respondent?
on the part of the respondent, these are exhibits D-1-20-DE. Next is T-1-50-DE. And D-1-74-DE.
74, not 79.
74, Your Honors.
Okay. Counsel may proceed.
Mr. Witness, these documents that you're seeing now, there is an annotation approved by. What does approved by mean?
Ang ibig sabihin po ng approve by ay inapprove po nung signatory dito sa box na ito yung contents of the fiscal and financial plan.
And this is in all three documents, Mr. Witness?
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay. There appears to be a signature in these three documents. Whose
Assisting
signature
counsel
are
for both
these?
parties may approach the witness and compare the documents they possess.
Please go over these documents and tell us whose signature is this?
Signature po ni Vice President Sara Duterte po.
And you're familiar with this signature for the same reason she stated, Mr. Witness?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What does a signature of the secretary? And here, it is the signature of the Vice President, concurrently Secretary of Education, Sara Duterte. What does this signature attest to?
Ang katulad po nung nasabi ko kanina, yung signature niya po rito, ang ibig sabihin ay inapprove niya po yung contents ng fiscal and financial plan.
I am showing to you now, Mr. Witness, a document which is for the third quarter of 2023. And this is part, as we can see on the screen, this is a part of Exhibit P-1-14-B. Please, for the record, tell us your observations. For the third quarter, for the first, second, and third quarter, as appearing in this exhibit and in the notes or the documents you're looking at?